Hi, girlies. So let's take a look at this page in our book. It is page 13, and it's the separate that's out and stapled. Okay, and it starts with page 13. So pages 13 through 18 are stapled together, and that's the packet we're going to look at today. Okay, and we're going to read and write numbers through 10,000. I want you to take a look, and something should pop out at you at this page. On this page, these words written and highlighted are popping out at you. And look, they're exactly what we just did on the board. They're in a different order, but they're exactly what we just did. Word form is a way to write numbers using words. Expanded form is a way to write a number by showing the value of each digit. And standard form, which is the normal way, the way to write a number using the digits 0 through 9. Okay? So let's just quickly look this over. The problem says ABC blocks receives an order. The base 10 blocks show the number of blocks ordered. What number is this? Can you write it over here in the blue box? What number? If we have 1 crate, 6 boxes, 2 stacks, and 9 single blocks, the number would be 1,329. So we should write over here 1,329. Okay? Now, if we take a look, it says each worker on the team checks the order by expressing the number in a different way. What way does each worker use? So Sam gets the order and reads the number to Mary. Here it is in words. Ready? 1,329. Mary uses the value of each digit to record. So this 1 is worth 1,000, right? So 1,000. 100, 200, 300 plus 300, 300. 10, 20 plus 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 9. 1,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 9, which is expanded form. Okay? When the order is complete, Kyle writes the total number of blocks on the packing slip. 1,329. 1,329. So let's fill in this bottom. So Sam says the number using word form. Mary uses expanded form, and Kyle uses standard form. Okay? These are the 3 ways that we just practiced writing any number. Which way is the fastest way to write a number? Standard form. Which way takes the longest amount of time? Word form. Which one do you do most often? Standard form. Which one tells the value of every single digit? Expanded form. Okay, so together we're going to do some practice on how we can identify a number. They could give us a word form and we could give expanded and standard. Or they could give it to us in expanded and we could give it to them back in word and standard form. Okay, so let's turn the page and let's look at this table right here. I'm going to move myself down here so that we can see that table better. There we go. Okay, so here's a table. It has 3 columns. Standard form, look how narrow that is because we don't need much space. Expanded form, we need a little bit more space. And then word form, we need a lot of space for word form. But look, isn't that great? Look, they put a lot of those words in there for us, so we don't have to write every single word. We only have to fill in the blanks. Okay, so ready? 5,702. How would we write that in expanded form? 5,702. So the 5 is worth 5,000, so we'd write 5,000, plus 7 is worth 700. The 0 is worth 0, so we don't need anything. And then the 2 is worth 2. All right, let me find a marker, and I'm going to write that down for us on a piece of paper. All right, so you ready? 5,000. 5,000 is 5,000 plus 700. You don't need to write anything for 0, and then we have a 2. 5,702. Can you see that? I don't know that you can see that very well. 5,702. That would be expanded form. Word form. We're going to fill in 5,000 blank 100. 700. What are we going to put on this blank? 2. The word 2. T-W-O. 2. Good. All right, now on this one, they only give it to us in word form. So let's read this. 2,491. How would you write that in standard form? 2,491. So you should have, let's see if you can say it, 2, 491, 2,491. Now how would we do that in expanded form? The 2 is worth 2,000 plus the 4 is worth 400 plus the 9 is worth 90 plus the 1 is worth 1. Can you see that? 2,000. There you go. Got it? All right. And then the last one. They give it to us in expanded form. And that's it. 3,000 plus 600 plus 80 plus 7. So 3,000 plus 600 plus 80 plus 7 would be 3,687. 3,600, can you see that? 3,687. So that would be our standard form, and then we just have to fill in the blanks. 3,600, and they already did 87 for us. Good. All right. You're going to keep practicing going back and forth between standard form, expanded form, and written form for a bunch of numbers. So I want you to finish this page. Finish this page. Don't go on to the next page. Just finish page 14. Okay? Then I want you to check it. After you've checked page 14, so I'll send you the answers. After you've checked page 14, then I want you to skip 15 and skip 16, and I want you to do page 17 for practice, all on your own. Make sure you take a picture of page 17 and link it to this assignment so that I can count it for your homework. Okie dokes. Bye, girlies.